In this video, I will show you how to leverage the module Framework360 messages to respond to all customers who write on our website, or multi-channel. For example, on Instagram, on Facebook, via email, via WhatsApp, clearly adding the necessary integrations. Let's go inside the messages module. And here, a convenient screen will be available that allows you to contact the customer outbound, meaning I can create an email, enter a recipient. Clearly, I could also add a list of customers directly to the customer module and then select it from here as we can. I can see that I can select this customer demo, and then I can write them a message. I can send them an SMS, a push notification if we clearly integrate under customization. Integrations with various external platforms like Facebook. We could, for example, respond to Messenger messages directly from the messages module. The same thing can be done with MyTapia, for example, which is a third-party platform that clearly integrates WhatsApp. So, all the messages that arrive on our WhatsApp business, for instance, could be displayed within the module. Messages, and it would be possible to respond to them by many users because, as we know, WhatsApp has limits on the number of users who can use the same number. Furthermore, it is possible to contact the customer directly from the graphic area. If we click on this customer, for example, we can send them an email, we could send them an SMS, we can send them a WhatsApp, etc., provided that we have the data. If I enter a phone number here, we will see that the section to send an SMS, send a WhatsApp, or call will open. All of this was specifically created to simplify the management of all the messages that arrive, because many times, perhaps in a company, they could get lost, or there could be delays in responding, thus risking clearly losing a potential customer.